So today we are going to talk about one of the important activity which is known as wait activity. Okay, so in case if we have to wait for something to be done, so we will use this wait activity, and we will use this in next case study how we can use this wait activity. But today I'm going to just explain you the very basic concept of the wait activity. So as suggest, we have a node available in my Azure Data Factory pipeline option, and it is available in the general section of the pipeline creation. So we have something known as wait. So wait is simply means we are waiting for something. For example, after waiting for some time, we want to uh, you know go with stored procedure. We want to run this stored procedure for an example, but we want the that our activity should wait for some time. Okay, so for example, if I click on the wait, we can say that wait for 2 minutes, something like that, or we can say that wait till the file reaches. Okay, so we can go inside this setting, and here we can produce, how much time we have to wait. We have to wait for 1 second, we have to wait for 2 seconds. We can make it for 2 minutes also, like 120 seconds. If you have to wait for 1 minute, you can say 60 seconds, like this, right? So we can do this way. So this is the option of waiting. We are giving some delay time. Okay, now in case, let's see, I want to just create a variable and use that variable over there, or parameter can be used. Let's create a parameter, and we can say wait time. Okay. So while running the execution of the pipeline, it will ask with the parameter, and instead of giving, in a wait option, what we can do, instead of giving a numeric number, what we can do, we can add some value over there using parameter wait type. Okay, and this wait time I can use as a parameter. So at the time of execution of the pipeline, it will ask for, but you can say wait time cannot be string, right? And whatever parameter you have created is of type string only, right? So this is the mistake. So what you have to do, you have to keep this as an integer, because time is basically an integer, not the string, right? So you can pass any default value like 120 seconds, or you can pass like a 60 seconds. Okay, or even you can make it blank. It's your wish. So if there are two options to supply, you can supply through a parameter, sorry, dynamically you can supply, or you can hard code this as 120 seconds or 60 seconds, whatever we have, right? So for example, if I'm making this as hard coded, okay, sorry, dynamically, if I want to make 1 second, okay, I don't know what this happen. Wait, just a second. It is not taking the values, something went wrong. If I hit on OK, no problem. It will take the value. Okay, let's delete this unnecessarily. We have created a variable. Anyway, so this is the one of the thing we have done. Now what we can do, we can debug this pipeline. I am just not used, because I have not captured any stored procedure, so I use this debug until option will only debug this part of section, right? So once I click, it will ask, you do want to, what is the time period you want to wait? I want to wait for 2 minutes, so I am just changing it from default to 120 seconds, right? So you can see, it will show me the results only to this section of the block, right? And it should take the wait time as 120 seconds. Okay, that's all. Fine. It will not be completed because I have used debug option, right? So still it is waiting for 2 minutes, right? So after 2 minutes, this will turn into completion. Okay, so after 2 minutes, this will be completed, and next process will start after 2 minutes. Getting a point? So this is the concept we have. Okay, we will use the application of this concept in the future case study. You can see it is completed after the wait time is over. Okay, so this, and once the wait time is over, the next process will start. So this is very simple, concept of wait node. Okay,